अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 8 from Madani Qaida. We will learn Khadi Harkat or vertical Harkat. How we pronounce vertical Harkat, what is Khadi Harkat or vertical Harkat. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is vertical or khadi harkat? Khada zabar, khada zer and ulta pesh are called vertical harkat or khadi harkat. Khada zabar and ulta pesh is placed on the letter or above the letter or top of the letter. Khadi zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How we pronounce the vertical harkat or khadi harkat? We pronounce khadi harkat or vertical harkat by stretching them up to one alif or two harakat. Let's see the example how we pronounce vertical harkat. Ha khada zabar ha, ha khada zer khi, ha ulta pesh hu, ha khi hu. This is the example of vertical harkat or khadi harkat. In next video we will learn more example of vertical harkat or khadi harkat. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.